Hi, my name is Carolyn Yates, and I'm a solutions engineer at Checkmarx. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about navigating IDE plugins. I'm currently within my Visual Studio Code IDE, and I'm utilizing the Checkmarx plugin. We can view the Checkmarx plugin here on the side panel with the Checkmarx logo. Installing these extensions is easy to do from within the IDE. We can come to extensions, we can search for Checkmarx, and we can install the extension here. All that is needed to utilize this extension is then an API key. We can come into our settings. We can come into the Checkmarx extension, and we can provide a Checkmarx One API key. We can then review results from within the IDE. You'll notice that I'm able to pull down specific projects, specific branches, and specific scan results from within my IDE. I'm then able to review these results and do certain types of filtering as well, such as review results that are only high severity, medium severity, low severity, or informational. We can also apply other types of filters. Maybe we only want to see results that have been confirmed or results that have been proposed not exploitable. These filters can be set within our project as well. Additionally, I can come to this ellipse here. We can see that we can group the files and the different scan results by different components. Whether you want to view it by language, by vulnerability type, by severity, these selections are available to make reviewing results easier for you and developers. We can then come into the IDE and we can review specific scan results for different scanning engines. You'll see they're currently sorted by SAST, SCA, and infrastructure as code. We can open up the SAST results and select an item here to pull up a scan result on the right-hand side of our screen. You'll notice that this scan result has been pulled down, and then we can review information around this specific vulnerability, such as general recommendation advice. We can hyperlink to the file where the vulnerability is found. We're also provided with a description of these specific vulnerabilities, what the risk might mean, what could cause it, and general recommendations for remediation. We're also provided with remediation examples that are in the language that this vulnerability is written in to provide the developer context around remediation. Triage is also available, which allows us to come in and triage the vulnerability. Maybe the severity of this vulnerability needs to be changed, or perhaps this specific vulnerability needs to be changed to confirmed or proposed not exploitable. These changes can be made from within the IDE and will update within our service log. Finally, there's the AI Security Champion for SAST results. I can come in, select Start Remediation for the AI Security Champion, and this will provide me a proposed remediation for this specific vulnerability. It will provide me a confidence score, an explanation of the remediation that was proposed, as well as the code snippet that can be utilized within our source code. We'll be reviewing the other scan types such as SCA and infrastructure as code in another video. And that's how you navigate the IDE plugin. If you like this video, we have a lot more content on our Checkmarx YouTube channel. Check out the link in the description for more.